Hi guys, I am so excited about today's video because I just got a delivery. It's our new curriculum that we're going to be using for the next semester. If you're new to my channel, you know I've been homeschooling for a whole semester now and we did not use any curriculum. However, I mentioned on one of my a couple videos ago, watch this video on your screen right now, where I talked about the homeschool journey, what it's been like and what has not worked very well and what has worked well. I mentioned the fact that not having a curriculum has been a great opportunity for us to incorporate our faith into our lessons and also be free to do fun things, but it has also been a bit of a difficulty having to make up the lessons on my own. So I've stumbled on the good and the beautiful, and that's the curriculum that I've purchased, and that's the curriculum we're going to be using come next semester or throughout next year, or however long it takes us to go through the curriculum. Okay, I'm not a believer in making sure the child goes through the curriculum, you know, before the end of the year. If he goes through it before the end of the year, great. If it takes 2 years, great. But this is what we're going to be doing, and on this video we're going to be unboxing it together. Let me just read for you briefly a brief summary about the good and the beautiful. This video is not sponsored. This is just to give you information. So here's what it says. It says, yes, the good and the beautiful homeschool curriculum is faith-based, but it's non-denominational and focuses on Christian principles rather than the doctrines of any specific church. The curriculum's creators and reviewers come from over 20 Christian denominations, and the curriculum is intended to be appropriate for all Christians. It emphasizes moral character, biblical principles like honesty, gratitude, prayer, and kindness, and also acknowledges God's majesty. However, parents can also incorporate their own doctrinal beliefs into the curriculum as they choose. So guys, let's dive into it.
So I bought the language arts preschool course set.
And then I also bought 5 extra books to go with it. I really can't remember what books I bought, but I just went with the titles and what seemed appropriate for me. In total, I think I spent about $88. Here's my invoice. I spent about $88 for the full curriculum, which is the
language arts curriculum,
which involved the preschool course book, the preschool folders activities, and access to some learning songs. And so that costed about $48. And then the extra books that I bought extra 5 or 6 books, I think. And all of those came up to about $88. And then I paid about $25 for shipping. So in total, it cost me about just over $100. I think that's pretty decent and price wise. So let's dive in. Oh, so here's this one. Mark Lives on Mars. It's just a book. Oh, this is good, an illustration book. I think if I'm looking at the invoice, this one is about $6.99, which is pretty good. Preschool practice sheets. I think this is the actual curriculum.
I see it even includes writing practice. This is genius for those little hands. I see super engaging and fun phonics activities. This will really help lay a solid foundation for reading. I'm really liking this. There are lots of interactive elements in here. My 3-year-old is really going to love this.
Okay. So that's the practice sheet. And this is the preschool course book. Okay. Okay. Completed. Oh, so these are the different lessons. Lesson 10. I guess this is about this course. Frequently asked questions. Seems very self-explanatory, easy to use, just from the outset looking at it. Lesson 1. Okay, if I just print, okay. Point to the alphabet on the previous page, read to the child. Alright, so it tells you exactly what to do. That seems really good. Okay guys, I'm really excited about this. I'm looking forward to giving it out. The lessons seem quite straightforward, so it's just this page and this page. That's one lesson. Let me see how many lessons are on there. So if I go to the menu, so there are 90 lessons. Okay, that's good. So I think that's it. This is the curriculum really.
plus the access to the songs. And then these are the extra books that I bought. Oh, and the folder. Wow, this is good. This is really going to make practice easy and organized. As someone who has worked without a curriculum before, it can be very daunting to have to make these things up. It's really nice to have everything right here in one place. Right, instructions are in there telling you exactly what to do with them. Okay, this is good. I'm looking forward to this. Moon match. Again, there are instructions in each folder telling you how to use them. I quite like the fact that this is easy to carry along and go. I do travel quite a bit with my kids, so it's good to have something, you know, that you can still go to, easy to carry along. It doesn't seem, you know, bogus. So these are some of the books I bought. Wow, this is good. Science activity books, space science. My 3-year-old is really into the planets at the moment, so this is going to be a really good one. I bought this one, science activity books, botany. This is good. Okay, this is going to be interesting. It's broken into lessons as well. Okay. Lesson 1, lesson 2. Okay, that's good. It's good. And then I bought this one, reptile, amphibians and fish. I guess it's the same sort of idea, geology, marine biology. Okay, looking on to lessons. So that's it, guys. So this is all I got. And these books are all range from, yeah, they're really around about $6.49 on average. That's the average cost. So I think, personally, I think this is really good for $100, and you have everything in one tiny little box ready to go for the whole academic year. So guys, that's it. So far so good. I guess once I start diving into the curriculum, I'll be able to tell whether it is really fit for purpose or not. So if you're already using the good and the beautiful, could you please share your experience in the comment section? We're all here to learn, and I would really appreciate it. If you also have questions, please go ahead and ask me. I'm going to be starting into this very soon, so I'll have a lot more experience and I'll be able to share more with you. I do share on my channel snippets from our lessons and how I teach my kids and how I incorporate good values, moral values, my Christian values and my beliefs into our lessons. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.